Welcome to Urban Media once again. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to play popular apostolic hymn, Asafo Yehowa As. Okay, so this song has been trending for a while, and then many worshippers do sing it, okay, while they are ministering. So I want us to learn how to play it. It's very simple. Okay, so when you pay attention very well, I'm doing melody and then chords all together. So if you happen to be a first timer, please do all to hit on the subscribe button, okay, and then turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new content, and then like the video as well. Okay, give me the thumbs up, like the video, and then leave a comment right below in the comment section. Okay, so the song is Asafo Yehowa As. That's the melody. So mi fa mi re do. Okay, so the moment I do, so when I play a one on the left hand, so we are doing F major chord. Okay, left hand we are doing C F A. Right hand we are doing the same thing, C F A. So, Asafo. Then I'll come to a 2. Yeah. You can play the 2 this way. The G minor. Then we add the 7 to it. So we can do our 2 this way. Okay, so we can do this on the 2, that is a G minor 6 chord. You can do this on the 2 chord. So we are doing this on the 2 chord, the G minor 6. So right hand is doing La Ti Re Fa. So we are getting the melody in this chord. Asafo yeah. Okay. So you can always play a chord in such a way that the melody appears at the top. Okay, that's how I do my own thing. So Asafo yeah. People will do a normal 2. You can do a normal 2. You can add a minor 6, okay? So, so a 1 chord, then to a 2. You can do a 7, 3, then to a 6. Okay, so you are progressing to Asafo Yehowa As. So the sorry we are doing a La chord. So we can do a 2, 7 to a 3, then to a 6. Okay, so Asafo 2, 7, 3 to a 6. Okay, so the 7 we are doing, that is a T. I'm doing E7, so it's 4 chord. So right hand is doing a D, E, and then A. The left hand is doing an E note. Okay. So that is a T, Mi, La, 7. Then to a 3. We are doing A7. Right hand is doing A, C sharp, and then a G, A, C sharp, G, and the left hand is doing A. So we are doing the root on the left hand, T, Mi, La. Okay, you are doing the root notes on the left hand, a T, Mi, then to La. So T. So while I'm doing right hand F major chord. Okay, the first inversion, that is A, C, F. A, C, and F. The left hand is doing a La. Okay, so Asafo Yehowa As. So, I'm holding a 4 on the left hand. Right hand is doing a C perfect 4th. Okay, so I'm holding a C and F together. So I'm getting the melody. Da, 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 da. Okay. So I'm doing melody here. Then I hold the one we normally call a fee. So I'm holding a G7 on the left hand. Okay. So left hand is doing Re, La, Do, or you can choose to use the key name, a G, a D, and F on the left hand. Okay. So I'm doing a whole lot of 7 chord. Then I do a C7 on the left hand. So left hand is C, E, and then a B flat. So a C dominant 7 chord. Okay, where's the 7 chord? The moment you do sutra, then to a D7 chord on the left hand. Up to a C7. So anytime you play a 5 chord, you can do this. Exactly, you can do a C7 chord. Not anytime you play a straight, a triad, you can do this. You can add a 7 to it. So we are doing a so me. This is a melody. So I'm doing a tola. So to a E flat major chord, and to a D major chord. So E flat, you are doing F. Sorry, you are doing B flat, E flat, and a G. Then we do E flat octave on the left hand. So into a D major chord. Okay, so D major chord is A, D, and F sharp. You are doing this chord. So you can do Tola. Anytime you are progressing to a La, you can do 2 and 2. Okay. So you can do a D7 flat 9 chord. So I'm building the chords from the melody. So this is a chord. This is the note. Mi, fa, mi, re. I'm doing the C dominant 7 chord here, and I'm doing a D major chord. So I can use this song in this context. Okay, so you can play. We are progressing to the 2. Okay, so very say 2, 4. G and a B, F, G, B, and left hand is doing a G major chord, the root chord, okay. Into our C7 chord again. Okay. So you should not be doing this, but this, it gives it a different feel, kind of gospel hymnal chord. Okay. Here to for no I say, okay, I say, then I do, so I'm doing a C9 chord. Okay, so we maintain a tritone on the left hand. The right hand is doing a G sus4, so a D, G, and a C. So anytime you can play this as a 5 chord. He can do it, okay, do it. So the chord is do it, so he can do it, better for you. So you can replace a 5 with this chord. Okay, so you can be borrowing chords from this song. Okay, you can play this as a 5. Yeah, see, so I'm doing this time around. I'm dropping the roots. I'm dropping this, and I'm doing. So this is the chord. Asafo. Right hand is doing a C diminished 7, and I'm doing this on the left hand, F sharp and A. Then 2, a G diminished 7 chord. Here we are doing C sharp, E, a G, and a B flat. So we're actually doing a C sharp, E, and the B flat. And left hand is doing Re or a G. So Safo, then to a G7, the one we actually call Fi. Yehowa. Then add our ending. Sorry. G for any Asafo Yehowa. Sorry as 273 2 6. So in all of my lessons, we learned a 3, 6, 2, 5. Okay, so you can use it as your ending. Yehowa can use a whole lot of chords that I played to your worship song. You can add it to different songs. Okay, you cannot just restrict to only this song. You cannot wait to play these chords in only this song alone. So you can learn them and then apply it in different songs. Okay, so I played a 2 this way and I played a 7. So when you're approaching a 6, you can do. Okay, so when I played a 5 this way, I can also play a 5 chord this way. Okay, you can play a 5 this way. And then I do a F. When I'm approaching the 5, I do a G7. And the 5, I'm doing a dominant. Okay, so I'm doing a C7. Instead of so to on the left hand, I'm adding the Fa. Okay. Alright, so do want to subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit on the subscription button. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe, okay? And then like the video, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. God really bless you for your support. I really appreciate it.